Hello, good afternoon. My name is Alexander. Um, I want to go over a few things I'm looking at this week. Been a while. Uh, I've done something like that. Let's get straight to it. On US 30, I'll be looking at US 30. On US 30, there is some type of demand level here where there is a potential of the market bouncing away from this level. So we might see this market bounce bounce higher if it takes out this part. But looking at it from the daily time frame, we want to see how this level is holding. This level is not a confirmed break yet, except this candle closes bearish. Then we have a level we want to look out for first. So if the market does not break this level, we continue bearish. If the market pushes back up and does not break here, we continue being the bears. If it pushes back up, break this level, we might still be in a bearish market. Or if the market comes back into this level here, if you go on the higher time frame, you see that there is an exhaustion level here that is refusing to break. So we might become buyers in that case for US 30 if you go onto our time frame, you would break that down. AUD USD almost identical to US 30. From the higher time frame, we see we are bearish. The market keeps on giving lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So we look to take sales. But as of this moment, the market is failing to break this support here, that daily exhaustion level there, and which is why we see these market not pushing, having a lot of momentum. Almost the same thing here. We see a break of this level, a break of this level here. If the market breaks this level, we expect a bullish push, at least this exhaustion zone there, since there is one exhaustion zone here. So let's see how that looks on the daily time frame. Hold on. Okay. So we have on the daily, this is how it looks like. Let's adjust it to have it. So if we have a bullish close above this level, it means the bulls are back into this market. And if you can see, the weekly level has not been broken yet, even on this daily. What we have is a bearish, bullish, doji, doji, bullish. So, and back here we have a bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, and we're having a bearish volume as of this moment. So by the time it closes, we want to know how it's going to close, and we decide if it's a break or it's still a testing. As long as it's still testing, there's a higher chance of it going back up. So if we see series of higher lows being present in this market, it means that the bulls are trying to come back into the system. USD CHF, we have the USD CHF. This is how it looks like on the daily time frame. Overall, this market's pushing higher, but we start to see lower highs, and some type of lower highs. Now, what we see is a low and some type of a higher low in this aspect. And you can see that the weekly is failing to break, having a lot of buyers exhaustion up top. It means a potential reversal is um, going to happen. There might be a potential reversal. So we might see this market run down a bit back to this point. Might see this market push down here before going up, or it might just keep pushing downwards. So we would have a stance when we see the market coming back and start giving us that bearish momentum. As of now, the weekly is not breaking. We see the bullish, bearish, bullish. It did not close above, so we have a bullish and some type of buyer's extortion bullish candle. It might be a doji. I consider it a doji followed by a bearish candlestick as of this moment. So it might just still hold. This level might still hold and we see and potentially see the push back into the bearish market. So let's check cryptos. On the BTC side of things, we see this place is still holding sway, still holding strongly. Now we see some type of exhaustion. But we would like to see this market keep pushing downwards. If it keeps pushing downwards, we might see it go down to what 16K, 17K, 14K. But if this level does hold, if it holds strongly, we might now start to see this market push back up. As you can see on this time frame, there is some type of low that has not been broken. So when we start to see higher lows forming, it might be an indication that the bulls are coming back into this market. That is that for ETH. Let's see, almost the same thing. ETH, this level, we have this level, right? There is an exhaustion zone here where we might want to see how the market will fit. If this market closes bearish here, so there's a high potential of this ETH dropping to $1,000. If this level holds, then we might see ETH going back up. As of this moment, if we draw a trend line like this, I see ETH coming back to 1.6 or 1.5 to 1.5 level. And when we get to that place, we cross it. But for now, we want to see how this market will fare. And a lot of things will be happening this week. We have the interest rate decision coming up for the Federal Reserve. We also have for the Bank of England. We have most central banks are reducing their interest rates this week, so we want to see how they fare when they do that. So, pending that, these are what I'm looking at for the market for this week. If it plays out well, So I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Comment what pair you want me to go over. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer your questions. All right, so take care.